Use a mallet if you have to. Go ahead. Ooh, crusty. The other Mini was worse. So they were like, at least these oil rings moved, right?